Let us now move to the last topic, that is announcement. Let us begin with the word announcement. Now, announce means you are announcing something because something has happened to you or to your relatives, or there is some achievement or some happening in your life. That is announcement, right? So let us see what is announcement. So an announcement is an official notification about something. It may be written or it may be spoken, but we will be talking about written. It can be to the public, to the people, to the students, to the employees, whatever it is. English verb announce means make a formal public declaration about a fact, like something has happened or something occurred or you intend to do something. Means if you are going to have a marriage, you will announce that I am going to have a marriage. Right? Our invitation card is actually announcement. We can find announcement in audio format on radio, in visual format on magazines, in newspapers, in cards, billboards, on audio visual formats, on TVs and in the advertisements. The good announcement include the inform means for people, tells what has happened, when will happen, where will happen, how will happen. At the end of announcement, there should be a strong call for action, means strong invitation or strong attention. There are some kinds of announcements. It can be business related announcements, funeral related announcements. If you are successfully graduated, successfully got an educational qualification, a degree, maybe announcement, birth or death announcement at a funeral, and there can be anniversary, any such celebration, so that can be there. Then if you have an event in your life, maybe you are having a wedding or engagement, then can be the announcement. And finally, in schools, in institutions, in colleges, in companies, there is an event announcement. Even government is also announces events. Now, for example, once a Gujarat event, right? Now we have the vaccination announcement. There is an event. We have our National Day celebration events. Saurashtra University last year organized the book fair. So when you are organizing a book fair, you have an announcement publicly that we are organizing a book fair. So an announcement can also be most importantly about an event, and we very well know business announcements are generally of type of advertisements or launching of something. Means if they are launching a new mobile, new car, new version of something or new product, there is an announcement that they are launching this or that. For students, there is also announcements related to holiday, maybe related to their vacation, related to their exams. Now, if they post this as a notice in notice board, it becomes notice. But if somebody comes and announces very briefly, it becomes an official announcement, right? There is a lockdown, so government officially announces that there is a lockdown. So that is announcement. Let us see some examples of announcement. Before that, let us see the structure. Generally, announcement structure is very simple. You open the announcement with the title, then you write the actual announcement, and then you close the announcement. Nothing else. The announcement must have to whom the announcement is for, the purpose of announcement itself. When the event will happen, you should write in the announcement when something will happen, time, date, exactly. Where the event will means what is the location will be of the event, and who is actually making the announcement. You can also write the name in the announcement. It's almost like notice. Then announcement should have, as I told you, four things. First, stating the purpose, mean why the announcement is being made, the what is the event will be there, means our information about the event. Second, stating the day and date, as I told you, what will be the day, what will be the date. Then stating the place, what will be the place where event will be held. And fourth will be informing the sender, means whom should you contact and who is actually the announcing. Now, what should be the language? Simple present tense will be good. Simple future can also be good, because we can say that there will be annual function on 15th of February. So will be is a future tense, simple future. At least you should not use conjunctions to make your sentences brief, because when you are announcing, the reader wants to get idea easily. So don't use conjunctions. And date, place and time is always there to be an event. Let us see an example of an announcement. This is an announcement to staff. This is the opening announcement to all staff. This is the actual content. It's that time of the year again. As you all know, Christmas is our busiest season of the year. Every year it is a struggle for management supervisor to find time and energy to organize a staff Christmas party. So this year we have decided to postpone the Christmas party until after our busy season. Party details: date, second or third Saturday January, theme beach, food Caribbean, special event karaoke and happy dancing. Closing: we apologize that the celebration will have to wait until New Year. Anyone interested to help out, event encouraged to call Lucy. This is the name. Thank you, management. Then we have second announcement about a tour, school trip to Golden Sand Beach. On 20th August, there will be a school trip to Golden Sand Beach. Departure, program, afternoon, fee, contact person. This is a simple announcement about a tour. Then we have another example of a back to school dance event. Friday, August 13, 2010. Chandler's Gym, sponsored by PTO. Time is given, address is given, money is given, instructions are also given. Using simple present to simple future tense. No conjunction is used in the notice. See the funeral announcements. We know that if somebody dies, there is a funeral. So funeral session, there is an announcement about his funeral. When will be the funeral? Okay. Then we have graduation announcement. When you have graduated from a university, from a college, you can have an announcement. We in newspapers we many times find such announcement that I have been awarded MD degree, MBBS degree, even I got job in this or that. We find such announcement, that is achievement announcements. Then we have birthday announcements. Then we have engagement and wedding announcements. Right? We are going to have a wedding. We are going to have engagement. Right? We will be married on December 20, 2008 in San Francisco. So, simple card. It is a simple announcement. Engagement.